Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Rosanna. Today we will be working on our entertainment center using stock cabinets from the Home Depot store. These unfinished cabinets are 30 by 12 by 30. Since we don't have a paint gun, we simply just use a paint roller brush and are painting our cabinets with a white paint that already has a primer in it. We ended up doing a total of 3 coats of paint. You could also buy cabinets that are already painted white, however, you will spend a little bit more per cabinet, so just keep that in mind. And here is what they look like after only 1 coat of white paint. As those were drying, I went back inside and started painting the face of the cabinet, and I only painted the part that was going to show. I did not paint the whole entire cabinet. We did not want our cabinets to sit directly on the floor, so my husband built a base that our cabinets would sit on using 2x4s. We used the measurements of the size of our new cabinets and made some crossboards that would help support the weight of the cabinets. We moved the base into the area where our entertainment center is, just to make sure that our measurements were perfect. To cover the screws, we used a patching compound. Once they were dry, then we sanded them and painted the front of the baseboard. Moving on to our countertop, we used a 1 by 12 by 8 that my husband cut down to 92 inches and is now giving it a good sanding so that we have a nice smooth finish. Now that the base and the face of the cabinets have been painted with 3 coats of paint and are completely dried, we placed our cabinets on top of our base, making sure that our cabinets were level. My husband then drilled in a screw through one side of the cabinet, going into the second cabinet, placing 1 screw towards the top and 1 screw towards the bottom. After all the cabinets were screwed in together, then he moved on to screwing the cabinets to the base using the drill gun again and placing 1 screw, 1 towards each end of the cabinets. And I'm just showing you here where we placed our screws. Because of our countertop not completely covering the top of our cabinets, we ended up using a 1 by 2 by 8 and placing nails along the edges of the countertop directly into the cabinets. The only thing that was left to do, which I did not record, was hanging up the doors back onto the hinges onto the cabinets. And now that our project is complete, it was time for me to decorate. I am placing this faux plant that I bought from Target, and I'm placing it in this corner to cover our Wi-Fi router. Right next to that, I am placing a woven basket that I got from my local Goodwill for only $2. At the center, I'm placing a stack of books with this little wooden dish bowl that I got from Goodwill for $1.99. This next item I also got at my Goodwill for $4.99. I love the organic shape of this. It looks like a wooden dough bowl to me. I just was not too sure. And at the corner here, I'm placing this vase that I thrifted, I believe for $2.99, that I painted with some baby breath stems. Here's an overview of what it looked like before, and here is what it looks like after. This came out exactly how I pictured it, and I'm so happy with the results. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. We are by no means professionals, so this was just a fun DIY project that my husband and I tackled together, and I am just so in love with the results. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel, and if not, if you just enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you would just at least give this video a like. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one. Bye.